More like the grass.
This picture's going on YouTube.
Awesome. Lady doesn't know how to shoot.
That's straight. Put a little video up on there. Send her a link. I was watching on YouTube.
Let her do it laying down, Richard.
Yeah. Safety's right here. So whenever you're ready to fire, just take your thumb, like that, and get fire.
Alright. So I have to lay down to do this?
If you want to, you can. Do you want to?
No.
That's it. What's not like that?
Richie, she knows how to shoot, dog.
Just like that.
Okay. I
She
don't
shot
have
it
to put this
last
on?
time.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
Unclip it then, Richard, so it's out of her way.
Oh! I see the crosshairs!
That's right. You can shoot right there. You can see it better.
Yep.
There you go.
Got it. Heavy gun.
It is a big gun.
Okay, I'm done.